let you control me. Guilty self-affliction, prey on me when I'm lonely.